Assalamualaikum, I hope you guys are well. I'm unboxing my mom's iPhone 13 Pro Max. So here I'm going to show you the whole video of how I unboxed it and set it up. I'm not going to be showing the setup of the video, but I'm going to show you guys how I unboxed it and stuff, but I won't show the setup. I will show you guys the final result at the end of the video so you guys can skip that, or you guys can watch the whole video and check it out. So here I'm taking out the case, and the satisfying part was when I had to peel the plastic off. It was really nice and I loved it, and this part was my favorite because it was very satisfying. I know that you guys can't listen to it, but it was very satisfying. This was the hard part because it was hard to take off, and I did it, and here I put the phone in the case. Delicate, so I had to be really careful and make sure it doesn't break or anything. I was just worried it was going to break, so I pushed the case really slowly. That's why it took me a very long time to put the case on, and my dad put it on after. So here's the part I cleaned the screen, and I'm putting it at a slow bit speed, so it's not going to be that long a video. So I put it and I cleaned the camera. I cleaned the front of it, and I had to make sure it was very spotless, and it had to be cleaned before I put the screen protector on. So it came with a sticker thing, the case, and I put the sticker on top, and it just took all the dirt off. And here my dad's putting the screen protector on, so there's no bubbles left, because if I put it on, then I would leave bubbles. I did it with my phone as well. So here's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and I will show you the end result. So here's the end result of the phone, and yeah, I'll see you guys.